Visual voicemail on Android shows messages in the phone app for easy playback, deletion, or reading. It needs data and carrier support. If it stops working, visual voicemail not working on Android may have several causes. This guide covers the fixes. Part 1. Why is my visual voicemail not working on my Android? Weak network, app glitches, wrong settings, full inbox, carrier issues, SIM issues, battery saver, compatibility issues, outdated app, missing permissions, VPN or firewall blocks. Part 2. How to reset visual voicemail on Android. For various service providers, check network, restart phone, toggle voicemail, clear cache data, a date system app, check carrier, reinstall app, reset network, contact carrier, factory reset last resort. Part 3. How to fix visual voicemail not working on Android. Detailed guide. Way 1. Ensure you have cellular coverage. Way 2. Check the network connection. Way 3. Give permissions to visual voicemail. Way 4. Make sure you have enough free storage. Way 5. Turn visual voicemail off and back on. Way 6. Alter your voicemail settings. Way 7. Ensure your carrier's voicemail service is up. Way 8. Verify your call forwarding settings. Way 9. Clear cache on your phone app. Way 10. Update Android software. Way 11. Contact your service provider. Part 4. Fix visual voicemail not working Android with the specialized tool. When critical Android errors like boot loops or frozen screen strike, Android Repair offers a straightforward fix by reinstalling firmware without needing root privileges. How to fix visual voicemail not working on Android phones. First step. Launch the tool and connect your Android device. Open the program on your computer, go to System Repair, choose Android Repair, and connect your phone via USB cable. Review the device information and click Start. Second step, confirm your device details and enter download mode. Verify your phone information, click Next, type 00000 and select Confirm. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to boot your device into download mode according to whether it has a home button. Third step, download the firmware and start the repair. After your phone enters download mode successfully, click Next to download the required firmware. The software will then begin fixing the Android not responding issue automatically.